Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Shasha, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these very easy, super cute Hello Kitty bow hair clips. The mold that I'm going to be using today is from the Crafts and Glitter shop. The pigments and the resin that I'm using is from Fun Showcase, and the glitter that I'm using is from Resin. I've got discount codes in the description box below for all three of these stores. So I'm starting off by mixing together the pink with the iridescent white to create a slightly lighter baby pink shade, and then I'm putting in quite a bit of the iridescent glitter. Now I'm fully aware that the glitter isn't going to be as blingy in this because I've used it with mica powders, so it will be slightly muted, but at least it will still be quite a nice little delicate glimmer. Yes, I do subtle sometimes. These clips are actually for my lovely friend Nikki, who has been a long time supporter of this channel, so hopefully you enjoy watching these being made, my darling. So what I'm doing here is I'm making sure that I'm curing this on both sides. It's very important to cure your pieces on both sides just to make sure that everything cures nice and evenly. And even though, yes, it comes out with a slightly glossy finish, we are going to gloss over that afterwards just to make it pop even more. Next, you want to make sure that your piece is nice and stable. That's why I've got mine resting up against this silicone tool just here. You want to make sure that it's nice and level, and then you want to put on a thin layer of UV resin onto the back, then place on your hair clip, and then you want to cure that again on both sides. Make sure that it is really nice and secure. Now, something I always have in my resin toolkit is a no wipe UV top coat. This is something which you would normally use on your nails. It's brilliant for giving a tack-free finish. So if ever your resin pieces come out a little bit sticky, definitely grab yourself some of that. And there you have it, my darlings. This was really simple to do. It's a great beginner's project and it gives you instant gratification. I love them so much that I had to make myself a pair, but I decided to go for the classic red, and oh my goodness, look at how gorgeous that they turned out. If you enjoyed this video and if you learned something, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.